Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Janelle Roner. I love all things easy peasy keto and low carb. Let's see what we can whip up today. Today we are gonna make pumpkin chia pudding, which of course is keto and low carb. You're only gonna need 3 ingredients and this is delicious. So I'm gonna use the skinny syrup, the pumpkin spice, chia seeds of course, which are a great source of fiber and protein. Don't mind my daughter back there. And some unsweetened almond milk. That's it, let's do this. So this has been in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours, or you can leave it overnight. How cute is this? So here is the little chia seed pudding with some sugar-free whipped cream on top with some pumpkin pie spice seasoning. So good. Gives you like all those oatmeal vibes. So if you're like doing keto and you miss that, you gotta try this recipe. Tell me what you think.